I don't know what this is, but it's kind of hot.
Hey guys, and welcome back to yet another video. So today I've got my Galaxy Fold out again. I also have something else for it. Around 2-3 weeks ago I ordered something from a website called dbrand. Today it showed up in the post and we're going to be applying it. So I'm going to first of all show you why the package is this big. I'm going to go ahead and take out the contents of the package. Another package inside a package, and in this package we have some foam, cloth cleaner, a skin for the MacBook Pro, which I am going to go ahead and set aside because for this video we are looking at the Galaxy Fold skin. So as you guys may have realized, the skin on my Fold 2 will be matching the skin on my MacBook Pro M1, and if you want to see me put the M1 MacBook Pro skin on, that'll be on another video. But today we are looking at this, just to give you guys a nice little close-up. This is called Black Dragon, and as you guys can see, it's got a pretty nice looking tone to it. Looks rather scrumptious. So what I do really like about this skin is that it is pretty rough, meaning this is going to give me a nice amount of grip whilst looking very nice and sleek and undercover basically. I don't want anything too bright on my phone, so this is why I've gone for this skin in particular. So let's go ahead and apply it on my phone. So first of all, what you want to do is give it a very nice little clean. So using the cloth that actually comes with the dbrand skin, just give it a good little wipe until it's nice and clean. So all you want to do now is put your phone down on a surface that won't scratch the screen, of course, and peel back the skin and fold the actual paper that comes with the skin, just like this. So now you can easily match up the skin to the phone. So I'm going to go ahead and stand up and do this for you guys real quick. Before you press down on all the edges, just make sure that the top edges are matching and they're not overlapping, because if they overlap you're going to feel a little ridge, and you don't really want that. You want it to be a nice little smooth curve. You don't want to feel any bump here. Before pressing down any further, I can already tell I've got it a bit too high, because you can see the glass just on the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and re-peel it and put it back on. No big deal at all. So guys, once you've got everything lined up exactly the way you want it, and everything seems to be perfectly adjusted, you want to get the cloth that the skin came with and rub down on all the sides. You have to rub like you've never rubbed before. So guys, once you've gone ahead and rubbed down as much as you can, I will highly suggest you get a blow dryer and blow dry down all the edges, and then rub down again when the skin is actually warm from the blow dryer, because that is how you get it stuck down perfectly. And this method that I've done on my other phones, and the dbrand skins have lasted over years. So this is the method that I use. I'm going to go ahead and grab a blow dryer and do that now. But make sure you don't hold it down on the edges for a bit too long. Just make it very warm to the touch, but don't make it hot, because you don't want to damage your phone obviously. So yeah, go ahead and grab a blow dryer and just blow dry down the edges. Alright ladies and gentlemen, and we're finally done. So after applying a lot of heat to the sides and the edges, and obviously rubbing it down like I explained, I have finally finished, and I really like the look of it so far. So I'm going to go ahead and give you guys some nice close-ups, and as you guys can see, fitting is perfect, fitting is impeccable. I'm talking about the actual fitting of the dbrand skin itself. The cutout, everything is perfect. So if you do set it up correctly on your phone, you will have no issues whatsoever. The length that has been cut to is perfect, so you won't have anything overlapping. And as you guys can see, the top is perfectly placed on the glass, and it doesn't go over. So when you rub your finger over it, it doesn't feel too rough at all. Obviously you can feel a very slight bump, but it's not so thick that your finger gets stuck on it or anything like that. It's very smooth. You can hardly feel it, but you do feel it, of course. And the other side, we do have very nice fitment on this side as well. And finally, the bottom also looks impeccable. And for me personally, I really like this look. Tell me if you guys like it as well. I'm going to go ahead and open it so you can see what it looks like open. So that's what it looks like open. And as I explained earlier, I went for the black one mainly because it is a little bit more low profile. I don't want it to stand out too much. but I just want to give it some personality, and I really hated the fingerprints that you get on the back of the glass phone. And yeah, so that's why I put a dbrand skin on it as well. I'm going to go and give you guys a few more different shots that you're probably going to be seeing right now. And as I said, personally for me, I like this look. Let me know if you guys like it, or which other dbrand skin you would have probably preferred on this skin. Or if you already have one, tell me what skin you guys have bought for your Z Fold 2 and how you like it so far. And finally, coming back, I'm just going to go ahead and put this camera sticker on as well. Personally, I do not like the camera sticker. However, I will put it on just for video's sake, and I will be taking it off after the video, just for disclosure. And finally, there we go, guys. This is what it looks like with the camera sticker on, and to be honest, it doesn't look as bad as I thought. It actually looks pretty nice. I'm not really typically a fan of camera stickers because I think it looks too overdone. However, this doesn't look too bad at all, to be completely honest. I might actually keep this on. Let me know how you guys feel about the camera stickers too. And obviously it does have a cutout for the flash, as you would expect. And let me just go ahead and check the cameras. The cameras are all working perfectly as well. Zoom in to use that telephoto and zoom out for the ultra wide. So that's been it for today's video. I hope you did enjoy. Just a quick little video on this dbrand skin. If you did like it, please do leave a like, as it does really help out the channel a lot, and subscribe if you're new. Thanks for watching, guys, and bye bye. So in lower lighting conditions, this is what the phone looks like. It doesn't pop out like the blues and the reds and stuff. Still looks very nice in my opinion. And yeah, if you're into like the blues and reds, obviously, then that's something totally different, which I can appreciate, because blues and reds also can look pretty nice. But the good thing about this skin in particular is, in lower lighting conditions, it still looks very nice, looks very low profile. And also, one more thing is, whenever you're using your phone at night, it adds a lot of grip to the back glass, so you're less likely to drop it on your face, like I've done like 3 times already. As I was saying earlier, the cutouts are pretty perfect, as in the skin itself has a very nice cutout. It's very accurate, so just make sure whenever you are applying, just make sure that you don't go over the glass, because once you go over the back glass and it basically water falls over the edge, that's when the rough bumps occur. Because right now, genuinely, I do not like, there's hardly any bump, but as I said, if you do waterfall over the back glass, it will cause a big bump. I think I mentioned that earlier in the video too. Just going to leave it in for now. So yeah, what do you guys think? Extra little behind the scenes, not even behind the scenes, but just an extra little bit of footage for you guys that wanted it. So yeah, that's it. That's the whole video. Thanks for watching, guys, again. Bye bye.